My name is Mehraj Begum. My daughter's name is Nurul Rihana. She's my eldest daughter, so I really wanted to do the best for her. So I wanted to send her for motivational course for UPSR. Then I came across Rakan Tuition Center is having UPSR UPSR motivational talk, and also the going through all the papers. So I sent her there. Then within a few days, she tried to she managed to answer a lot of questions. And then I tried to send for personal tuition for the science subject, because usually she will get B, sometimes she'll get A for that subject. And teacher Vijay gave her a personal tuition for only 1 month. So during her UPSR, she managed to got A for the exam, and we were so happy because usually she will have some difficulties in answering the paper 2. Even paper 1 also she will have some confusion like that. But few days before the exam, I noted that she really understood everything from A to Z, and she can answer all the questions. And whatever question I ask her from any chapter, she can just simply give the answers, and even she can argue with us. If the answer is not correct, she will say that no, the answer is correct. She can tell the reasons. So I really thank Teacher Vijay and also Rakan Tuition Center for helping my daughter to get A in science subjects and also other subjects. I hope that they will help her also in her PMR examination, and all the best for Rakan Tuition Center.
Thank you.